This is the home a retired 19th century sea captain shipped to Florida to live in and never left. The inside-outside house is one of the earliest prefabricated homes. Built in Boston in 1873, it was taken apart and shipped by steamer down the St. Johns River to Sanford, where it was then transported by a mule team for assembly on Boston Avenue in Altamont Springs. Kit homes originated during the 19th century gold rush, so prospectors could quickly get to work. Sears Roebuck popularized catalog homes in the 1940s. In 1973, the Central Florida Society for Historical Preservation saved it from demolition and relocated it to its current location in the Longwood Historic District. Captain W. Pierce moved into the house around 1878, when it was used as a cabinet shop. The family lived upstairs. The house received its name from exposed structural framing that is bolted together in shiplap style. Captain C. Pierce was one of the directors of the Orlando National Bank. A historian identifies Pierce as the man on the porch in this late 1800s photograph. The owner of the gift shop inside has had multiple paranormal encounters with what she believes to be the captain. She has seen a faceless figure with the outline of a trench coat. A glass orb sitting on the mantel was found one morning on the floor in front of the fireplace, left unbroken by a glass table directly below it. Footsteps are frequently heard from upstairs. One time, while alone, she dropped some papers and exclaimed,
"Did I really just do that?"
and received an audible,
"Yeah."
Some think the building acts as a portal, drawing curious spirits to it.